Hello folks. The purpose of this video is to take you through the different elements of a comprehensive financial planning document. A financial plan consists of following 10 elements. First, cash flow statement. Think of this as your financial snapshot. It shows where your money comes in, like salary, freelancing income, and where it goes out, like rent, groceries, and other regular expenses. Second, net worth statement. This is your financial report card. It's basically all your assets, saving, minus your liabilities like loans, credit card debt, etc. Third, car or home loan statement. This statement keeps track of your loan balances, interest rates, and payment schedules. Fourth, emergency fund planning. We will majorly aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses just in case life throws a curveball. Fifth, financial goal planning. This will contain the detailed financial planning to achieve your individual financial goals like new home, children's education, or children's marriage, etc. Sixth, vacation planning. This element will share the plan on to save for your vacations. Seventh, insurance planning. In this element, we will calculate and advise the required amount of insurance coverage to stay protected and conquer life uncertainties. Eighth, retirement planning. This element will help you to understand the amount you need for your expenses during your retirement and how much do you need to save starting today for a fulfilling retirement corpus. Ninth, tax planning. This element will help you to understand about deductions, sections, and smart investments to keep more of your hard-earned cash. A complete picture for at least next few years. 10th, estate planning. Estate planning ensures your loved ones are taken care of if something happens. Wills, trust, beneficiaries are easy guide to transfer your assets to your loved ones. Now, starting with assumptions and data gathering. In this sheet, as you can see, you will have a holistic view of all kinds of assumptions for different inflation rates, rate of returns, annual salary increments, lifespan, education cost, retirement and marriage age, etc. This will be the base of your complete financial planning and hence will be discussed with you while preparing your financial plan. Now, moving on to executive summary. This sheet will give you the summarized view of the financial planning done for all your individual goals. How and where do you need to save to achieve those financial goals? Well, I would call it as the simplest view for not so Excel savvy person. Against each financial goal, you will get to see different parameters like corpus required, time frame, assets allocated, funds available, and funds planned. Now, moving on to the cash flow statement. This sheet has three elements in it. First, the inflow, which talks about the money coming into your account in the form of salary, rental, or freelancing income. The second element is outflow, which covers your annual household and personal expenditures, insurance premiums, children related expenses, professional upskilling, lifestyle upgrade expenses, etc. Moving on to the third element, which is net surplus, this is the money left post all expenses and how this amount will be used to invest and to achieve your individual financial goals. Moving on to the net worth statement. This sheet will give you the overview of your current net worth, which is your all assets minus all liabilities, and then similarly your net worth at important milestones. I will plan here to help you in having more assets than liabilities as you progress in your life and achieving a liabilities free retirement. Moving on to the car loan statement. This sheet is basically an overview of your current loan repayment statement either for a new car or a new home. Over here, I will try to help you to save for a bullet repayment, which is like saving enough to pay your outstanding loan principal amount in one go instead of monthly EMIs. Moving on to emergency fund. Over here, you will get an understanding on how much do you need to save for your emergency corpus. This will help you to manage your expenses without breaking your other investments. Basically, in situations like job uncertainties and delay in regular inflow of your monthly income. Moving on to home loan planning. Now, this is one of the major financial goals in our life, which is to save for our new home. Over here, post considering the current value of your new home, I will help you to determine the amount you need to save every month for your new home. Similarly, I will be happy to assist in planning for the bullet repayment of your home loan. In a situation where your current salary is not sufficient to save up for your current new home, you can opt for growing annuity strategy where your monthly SIP amount will be increased by a defined annual rate. Moving on to children's education planning. Over here, we will plan for your children's education expenses, be it school annual fees or a hefty amount of their college education. Everything will be covered using monthly investments. I hope that you already understand that a college annual fees of 2 lakhs in current value will be equivalent to approximate 10 lakhs after 16 years from now. This is post considering education inflation of 10% every year. Now, moving on to children's marriage planning. Over here, you will get an understanding on monthly amount which you need to save for your children marriage expenses. Wherever possible, we will also try to make use of your current investments to meet these financial goals. Moving on to the vacation planning. This goal now will vary from client to client and hence it will be customized as per your requirements. Be it for domestic or international vacation, I will help you to save for your vacations well in advance. Moving on to the insurance planning. Over here, I will help by evaluating the total term insurance and health insurance coverage required for you and your family. Term insurance coverage can be calculated by three methods, and I will opt for the one which is best suitable for you. Now, moving on to the retirement planning. Over here, you will get the understanding of how much money is must to have at your retirement to meet your annual household expenses. If you are already not aware, an individual with an age of 32 and with current annual household expenses of 7.5 lakhs will need to have 42 lakh rupees annually to meet his or her household expenses after 28 years from now. And to make it possible, you will need a corpus of approximate 10 crore rupees at the time of your retirement. Now, moving on to the tax planning. This is a classic element of a comprehensive financial planning where you will get an understanding of saving up your taxes. Tax planning is a process of organizing your financial affairs to minimize your tax liability while staying within the law. It's not about cheating the system, but rather taking the advantage of all legal deductions, credit, exemptions that are available to everyone. Additionally, in my tax planning sheet, you will also get the option for both regime, old as well as new. Moving on to the estate planning. In this, I will guide you on how to safeguard your assets and other key elements which will help you in easy distribution of your assets among your loved ones. Well, so folks, that's all for today. I hope this information has been insightful and inspired you to take control of your financial future. If you are interested in building a personalized financial plan, feel free to reach out to me through the link provided in the video description. Please do not forget to hit like and share this video with your friends who may need a comprehensive financial plan. Thank you.